Hello and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video I will be showing you how you can easily get different shields in Monopoly Go. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Open the Monopoly Go app, wait for a few moments until it gets loaded. After that you will be seeing the main screen as this. Now in the main screen you will be seeing the Go button. The Go button here allow you to play different events and to earn different cash, and based on the dice coins you will get the chance to have or own different shields in the Monopoly Go. So the other thing is you have to get the dice number which is wanted. For example, let's say my car needs 1 dice point to get the shield, so you have to make sure you get the 1 dice coin in order to get the shield. Now the other thing is you have to play different events in order to get the shields. Here you can see in the bottom left side there is a quick wins option which is a small icon. It will be unlocked after the 35th level, so you have to play those events as well in order to get the Monopoly Go shields. I hope you found this video helpful. Then make sure to like, subscribe and share the video, and see you in the next one.